Swipe is a stage where organizations can make marked virtual or actual cards for their clients for exchanges worldwide. Clients can rapidly send off their program with banking accomplices. Swipe will deal with the administration issue, consistence, and organization financial matters. Swipe was established by Joselito Lizarrando in 2018 with a plan to make crypto interoperability with conventional money, and it was subsequently gained by Binance in 2020. Swipe has essentially three parts: the fundamental organization, which, right off the bat, creates check cards, Swipe programming interface, Swipe trade, and so on. Furthermore, Binance, the fundamental partners, joined forces to bring improvements. Swipe environment, which incorporates decentralized application, local area, and ultimately its clients. Extraordinary highlights of Swipe coin. The SXP token is the local cryptographic money of the Swipe. It drives the SXP biological system and oversees the decentralized convention. According to the Swipe token financial aspects, the all-out coursing supply diminishes when the organization is more used. Swipe wallet can be utilized for installment for every one of the administrations given by Swipe, making proposition and deciding in favor of convention changes. Clients can pay north of 60 million shippers overall and used to take part in liquidity mining programs. Market feelings and cost of Swipe coin. The ongoing cost at which Swipe exchanging the market is around $1.27, with an exchanging volume of $112,514,804. It has a market cap of around $249,375,781, a completely weakened market capitalization of $308,057,039, a greatest stockpile of 239,612,084 SXP. The most exorbitant cost at which Swipe exchanged was $5.86 on May 3, 2021, while the base cost was 16 cents, which was a long time back. Specialized examination shows that Swipe cost today is exchanging negatively. In any case, after the negative sign development, the sideways exchanging go on for the following couple of days. After the bullish pattern of SXP exchanges from July to September, the Swipe value bobs and hits $4.66 on August the 23rd of September. 7 is the dim day of the crypto market. The whole digital currency market has plunged, breaking every one of the forecasts. Swipe financial backers go to sell Swipe mode and benefit booking. The cost of Swipe has tumbled from $3.92 to $2.13. SXP cost proceeded with a sideways pattern without making new levels. The ongoing cost of Swipe coin is around $1.27. The following prompt obstruction level is $1.80. In the event that it breaks the level, it will hit an opposition level of $2.35. The significant opposition obstacle for the year is $3.52. Momentary specialized examination shows that Swipe digital currency needs to break the $1.80 obstruction level to arrive at the Swipe cost in the $2-3 territory. According to examination, $3.52 is going about as a significant obstruction level to enlist another high of Swipe. However, it may not occur in that frame of mind since many factors generally impact crypto coins and the crypto economy. This is the exchange set of Swipe from the last month onwards, despite the fact that it gave enormous benefit for financial backers somewhat recently. Last month, a moderate misfortune book. Swipe was sideways in the equal scope of $1 to $2. According to the anticipated level, it will turn bullish by breaking the sideways zone and getting the force soon. The cost of Swipe is moving underneath its 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA dread and avarice list is put at 4, and that implies the Swipe cost could move toward any path. Digital currency aficionados or don't know about the Swipe risk. Specialized markers for Swipe value expectation are displayed in the figure. The MACD line might cross the sign line in the forthcoming meetings yet isn't sufficiently able to climb. Relative list strength is put at 37, which is impartial. The cost neither shows the purchase Swipe signal nor does it demonstrate the sell signal. Market feelings on Swipe cost are nonpartisan, and a similar will go on for the week. Prompt help is set at $2.31. And significant help levels are 62 cents and 15 cents. Breaking the $1 support zone can make an unexpected fall in Swipe. At this point, specialized investigation isn't showing a separate beneath the significant help zone, and a transcend obstruction levels can take Swipe into a higher worth zone. Swipe value forecast, well-qualified's viewpoint, shows that the token is a magnificent long-haul venture decision. In light of the examination, the cost might arrive at a greatest degree of $6.15 by 2027. In the event that brokers put resources into the coin today for a very long time, they might procure a benefit of around plus 396.05%. What's to come costs of the token is anticipated to be bullish. Toward the finish of 2023, the base cost can be $6.32, while the cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of $8.55. The typical exchanging cost for the year may be $7.43. The swipe cost figure for what's to come is extremely bullish. On the off chance that the coin can break critical mental opposition levels, the worth of the SXP token might increment and make another unsurpassed high. It is a success in an extraordinary digital currency accessible at a lower cost. The worth of coins might increment soon, on the lookout. Swipe cost is supposed to increment and give great returns, constantly finishing itself in the event that worldwide prompts are in favor. Brokers might put resources into plunge for a decent return. Risk is an unavoidable piece of the crypto space. For financial backers who will face challenges, SXP can be another expansion to their portfolio. Swipe Value Expectation 2022. The SXP conjecture for 2022 recommends that the cost could be around $1.63 initially. The typical cost range perhaps around $2.75. The greatest cost for the year end is determined to be around $2.25. The coin cost isn't supposed to increment radically in the year 2022 according to the gauge. In this way, the swipe digital currency market isn't giving an unexpected lucrative sign for those wanting to contribute for 2022, as it were. Swipe Value Expectation 2023. SXP cost expectation shows that the future cost of SXP during the underlying months will exchange at a greatest scope of $3 to $4, with a typical cost of $3.53. According to the gauge, the SXP cost is positive for the year. On the off chance that the cryptographic money market is bullish, swipe can break the most extreme cost around the same time. Swipe Value Expectation 2024. Our conjecture shows that swipe will break the $5.56 opposition level and make an unsurpassed high. The cost of SXP is bullish and is supposed to be around $6.43. Numerous dealers might acquire cash assuming they contribute in a calculated manner. And our SXP token gauges show that the cost will not go underneath $5, which will be the most minimal cost of the coin in 2024. SXP Value Estimate 2025. 5 years down the line, enormous turns of events and acknowledgement of swipe are supposed to occur. The coin will make a tremendous spike and it will prompt an expansion in SXP cost. Our estimates show that it will cross the $7 mark toward the finish of 2025. Long-haul financial backers might search for a decent chance for long-haul venture. SXP Value Expectation 2026. Specialized arrangement demonstrates the cost of SXP could go to a bull run in the close to time. Swipe coin is supposed to exchange at a degree of $7.23 minus $8.95, continuously finishing. Swipe has a long-haul procuring potential. It deals with quality upgrades to offer better support and benefits for all the stage clients. Swipe, according to the ongoing valuation, is underestimated and will have a decent climb as long as possible. Swipe is a wise venture. Indeed, swipe is a beneficial venture choice according to our cost forecasts. Continuous turns of events, their solid potential in the crypto space and blockchain industry show that SXP will have a cost ascend from now on. According to current information, it is viewed as a wise speculation.